In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit a document in Canva. To get started, open Canva and, from the home screen, click on Docs. This is where Canva gives you a simple, flexible space to write, organize, and design your content all in one place. If you've only used Canva for graphics before, this is a great feature to know because it combines document writing with visual design tools. Once you're in the Docs section, choose whether you want to begin with a blank document or start from a template. If you want full control and prefer building everything from scratch, a blank doc is the best choice. If you want a faster starting point, templates can help by giving you a ready-made layout and structure. This is especially useful if you're creating something like a proposal, plan, notes page, or a polished internal document. After opening your document, start typing your content, just like you would in any regular document editor. Canva Docs is designed to feel familiar, so you can focus on writing without needing to learn a complicated new system. Just click into the page and begin adding your text. This makes it easy to draft ideas, write full paragraphs, or build out a document section by section. As you work, use the toolbar to format your text and make the document easier to read. You can adjust things like font style, text size, alignment and emphasis. And you can also add headings, lists, and other styles to create structure. This is important because good formatting helps guide the reader and makes your document feel more professional. Headings are especially helpful for breaking up large sections of text, while lists can make key points clearer and easier to scan. One of the most useful features in Canva Docs is the slash command. Simply type a / to quickly insert elements such as tables, images, charts or designs directly into your document. This can save time and make your workflow much smoother, especially when you want to turn a plain document into something more visual and engaging without leaving the page. When your document is ready, click Share to collaborate with others. This allows you to send the doc for feedback, work on it together in real time, or make it accessible to teammates or clients depending on your needs. Before sharing, it's always a good idea to quickly review the document for formatting consistency and clarity, so everything looks polished. And that's how to create and edit a document in Canva from start to finish.